Hi there, it's Ben from Screen Washer Mods again here with another video on the strut supports that go down off your splitter to your bumper. I just thought I'd make a design for you where I do all different colours, and it's very much the same colours as what you do with the halo insert rings and the grille covers. So you can have a nice like matching set on the front of your car, a bit of customisation. For you to do this, it's quite simple actually. You get a pair of these in with the as a set on the price, and all you do is you just literally undo the strut brace, which I'll show you on here. Just bring the camera around a bit so you can see. Right, as you can see, I've already taken the case off this one. It's just showing the metal bit at the back. So all I do is undo and that, get it the right way. So just undo that. Get it, push it out, and then all you do is you twist, keep twisting that until the bolt comes out of inside the shaft. Like that. Right, then you'll already have one of these on your car and that on the cover, like a black one or something like that. All you do with these is just slide the old case off and slide the new case on, just like that, and then put the bolt back in inside, and then just tighten it back up like that. So it's like literally a quick 5-minute mod. Just tighten it up at both ends. Put the bolt back in. You might have to adjust it though, where you've altered it, to make it longer or shorter so it fits back into your top of your splitter again. Like you can see, mine's a little bit too short, so I'm having to make it a bit bigger. Put it back in like that, and then do the nut back up. And there you go, that's it. I also do them in a green colour as well. So any colour, it's like I say, the same as the lower grille covers like these, or the inserts and that. I do all them colours. So if you're interested in them, give us a shout, alright? Okay, thank you, I'll see you later.